Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Yap Session's podcast. I'm your host, Luke_SK, and right here I'm with...
It's Mr. Hectic on the screen, everybody.
And it's H. Lisa or Lisa Nede. Thank you.
H. Lisa.
Yes.
Oh.
The username.
H. Lisa. Doesn't you H?
It's my surname.
Okay. So welcome back to another episode of Fair 2, episode 11.
Oh, nah.
Inside.
You're tired as fuck.
Yo, Fair 2. I'm running on 2 hours of sleep, bro.
Are you really tired?
I'm operating on 2 hours of sleep.
Right. Hope I dizzy.
December vibes, bro.
Bantwana baqaqadileyo bangalala
That's
not the point. That's not the point, Chomi.
I hold ya nene silali yonke. Iqaqadekile. Hayibo.
Oh, nah.
The disrespect. My bad.
What?
My bad. But emzini kuzohlala umuntu orentayo okanye o looks like o decide ukuthenga umzi.
Wait, what?
Emzini kuzohlala umuntu onomzi wakhe, as in the parents, since mina ngingafuna ukulala emakhaya.
Hayi siyalala nje emakhaya, cha silala the next day.
The next day.
Ukulala khona siyalala emakhaya.
Yeah, what's the name?
Yeah, bona ke qala la kuma trick.
Yeah, that's why I'm getting qaqadekile.
Well,
That's him.
accusation.
It's not
I'm just living life for it.
It's the truth.
Young people must have fun for it.
At what expense though?
What do you mean what experience?
As long ungengomzali.
Yeah, true.
As long
Go live your
ungenomzali.
life.
I
Enjoy it.
support.
However you want.
Make memories, man. Because ubalisa mfethu abazukulwana boy.
But what did you do?
Abe ngishubizi boy.
Yes, it's
I'm
December
going crazy.
2025. December 2025.
Wait, you know leya post ibisithi uthi umbuzo uthi uma wakho umbali athi yena and like when I got almost all the Balis, dog.
Cool.
Almost all the Balis.
We are.
Come again?
She said what? She said what?
Almost all the Balis, dog. Yeah. But anyway,
Bali's, yeah.
not in Balis.
Nimvile ne?
I said almost.
Simve song. And where's the mic la? La mic. Nimve kahle. Nimve kahle.
Sama plefang ya, kumbaza kuenda for no reason.
Ngoba impama sayingena ubuthini wena?
Come on. Bakho kwenzekeni. But like not in a bad way. Nami ndithathe into bithetho kwi post.
Really?
Yeah. Ndithathe into bithetho kwi post. If you all need a screenshot, I think I have it.
Aye, it's fine, kids. Siyabonga.
It's okay.
Siyabonga.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.
Okay, generation is where we are.
It's
What makes you say that?
up, dog.
But
Fucked up.
the world has always been like this, though. I don't
Imagine.
feel like see these figures are change of it.
It's
It's just that I'm 1K when they hit it. Tina, bitch, we open about it. We don't give a fuck.
Yeah. We're living on the thin edge.
We don't give a fuck, right?
Yeah, we're just living our lives, dog. One of these days,
If we are like this, what about the next generation?
oh, fun
Yo,
will be had. Fun will be had.
it's gonna be worse than these.
Yeah,
It's gonna be worse than this.
I'm crazy.
Yeah, it has a waka.
Too much.
It's gonna be crazy.
Too much.
Hey, time flying. Time flies.
Yeah.
Yeah, manja reminisce Ank.
What deep? What deep?
It's a hard.
Yeah.
I've lived this life.
2 decades. 2 decades.
And an extra year.
And an extra year on top of that. You've lived.
You've been at it.
Hey, I've experienced years. Hey, a lot of things.
Yazi leyo ngoba kaba ngunathi le ithi kudala ndiyambizweni.
Yeah, you're back. Yalwama boy.
Yes. Amahlomo libonile usizi. Chomi mina understand. Ndiyakuva.
What Nat was saying there, yeah.
I can feel it. I relate.
Happened in done. Just wait, boy.
Exactly.
Kakas.
That's part of life. One day you have.
You just have to freestyle your life, no. Just don't make plans. Freestyle it one time.
Start to life.
Don't make plans.
Bruh, ngeke zenzeke ngoku ezinye zazo. Just freestyle.
Just vibes.
Dog.
Where?
Just
Kuluma vethu.
Thetha nendingaphakathi. Okay, let me just say the long terms you can plan them, but like the short terms goals, you just freestyle them. Uzobona phambili.
I feel like, bro, you can work towards your long-term goal.
Yeah, you can work towards your long term.
Just do like small things.
Yes, just these short term goals. Just freestyle.
Step closer.
bit by bit.
Yep.
Yeah.
So do you guys have goals?
Who doesn't have goals?
Kanti amagolweni yintoni?
Amagolo ethu hat-trick mfethu. Header. Skyvoli. Kuba mfethu nje kashay cross mfethu. Mfethu nanghalad mfethu asimoyeni. Go! You are sudlala. Betho sudlala.
Too many goals in a season.
Too many.
Hi, guys.
Too many.
That's why I'm retired.
Bunny serious. What are your goals?
Make money, boy.
Only money that I want.
Make money.
What else?
What do you mean, what else? I feel
What are your
like
goals?
Money, imali, geld,
chelet,
nyuk, Zak.
coins.
That's all I gotta think about. Yes.
I feel you.
Oh, and also graduating. That's like a goal.
Graduating in what? Business. Graduating in what?
And being a language practitioner.
Yeah. Depends on the language practitioner. What does a language practitioner do?
As in like they...
Practitioner in language, kind of.
What?
A language practitioner, like I can be a lecturer, I can
Or a
be...
lecturer, or
Yes. A professor, I can be a teacher, I can also write
imagine funa lapha ama-verb. I got
nouns,
nouns,
pronouns,
vowels.
yes, consonants.
Yes.
You carried me?
4 years you fund a lot. How
No,
long is it?
it's 3. It's gonna be 3 years.
Oh, not bad. For 3 years.
Yes,
That will be deep. Right.
yes.
Boy, bese uyohola boy.
Imagine
Yabona leyo nto.
just for
Ufunda nje
studying.
ama-verb.
Lecture don't show up.
Cabanga uyavele iyangena imali inside. What the fuck?
Our lecture stays in a
Yangena.
Exactly, because they know.
lectures don't show up. Right. About to inspire us now.
Awashayi vele.
Shy, bye.
Ngiyavela ne-students nazo ziyalova.
Keep a scope with the whole book.
Plazike.
What do you do? Chapters, units, how?
How?
Ama units amanga asumuntu the whole book,
Wow.
Oh, wow.
which is crazy.
Wondifunde
So much for scope.
wondikreme kangaka jo.
And sumukremini.
Creme pass for kids. What?
But ukrema kuyanceda kwabanye abantu. I for one.
Yeah, it works.
Hey, it works for me.
It works, bro. Mna yo ngeke procrastinator mna. Funda.
It's ngizofunda.
Kumele ngizipressure ma okay ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma yabona okushubile.
And then that's
You
where
would
you,
die.
that's where you think, ish, konje,
Nothing.
I wanna have money, I wanna have my own house. Hey,
I want to drive a GLE.
Exactly. Be like, I want to have a beach house. I want to have my own business. Bona uthi yazi incwadi isondele eduze.
Woza la mfethu.
Isondele
Nabona
eduze.
ungibhora woza mfethu.
Uthi uzuyafunda enye into ungayi-understand nokuthi kusho ukuthini, but as long uyibambile nje kuphela.
Ngibambe ephepheni.
CPF.
Golden method.
Very coated.
PhD to that.
True. They might not tell us.
Yeah, but
They might not tell us.
Hey,
But yeah.
I know.
somewhere.
Somehow.
Even
Doctor.
Dr. Musa Mtombeni, the guy who's dating, is it Lizelle or who?
I see that.
Yeah.
You do say. Why crema somewhere. There is no freaking way, but why clever the whole freaking time.
Ago.
Oh, man.
There is no freaking way, but why clever.
Back.
I'm gay, guys.
Backflips. Yo.
Clever somewhere. There's no freaking way, but why clever the whole freaking time. And you was about okay, you pala test that is landlena nayo, ube uzfunde zonke. Ikhona le one way crema.
Never know. You might be goated like
I
that.
want it like that.
And a passion, umfethu. Ethanda isikolo, ethanda incwadi. Akhona manjalo ama-book worms.
Yeah, there are bookworms.
It happens.
But I don't care. I just cannot prove it yet.
Or that.
I just cannot prove it yet. But like soon.
Be a journalist in there. And follow whatever he's done. Improve yourself, right?
Being a journalist though is kind of like risky. People can kill you for publishing a certain story. But does that mean I will never follow that dream
Of being a journalist.
of being a journalist?
Yeah, nothing wrong with being a journalist.
The thing is, you like, okay, let's say you write a certain story and then like mhlambe some people who are actually corrupted or dangerous, they can kill you for publishing or before you publish that, or for getting that information you're going to publish.
Oh, nah.
Yeah,
Yeah, sure, my
So it has
face.
some pros and
it has some pros and cons.
And
man.
because
Like everything in life.
Yeah.
The cons are crazy, just that.
Yo, we're not
No
bad.
other way.
Exactly.
Not just sure, man.
So it's like that.
Oh, and Baba, so okay.
You know what? You should just sleep forever.
Clean. Yeah, I'm gonna buy their cookies. They are cookies.
Hey man, can I ask? Utando is still dating Panda? Was it Panda? Utando?
I don't know.
I don't
I haven't
know.
been
I
keeping
haven't
track.
had it that they broke up, guys.
The thing is, I saw a certain post saying that they broke up. Mhlambe wangamanga nje.
Why are you curious about Tanda?
Tando's news are very interesting
Also,
in many ways.
What?
They are very
Kanjani?
interesting. It's interesting.
What's interesting about it?
She's dating ex-friend. Yeah, ex-yag. No, ex-best friend. Yeah, ex-yag. Which is crazy.
Astana Queen?
Which is crazy.
Cookie.
Which is crazy. I really don't understand him.
so
Like
Last
Awungeke,
because
oh.
like you,
Me?
in this case,
ngeke nizifake kwisituation enjalo.
Mamela.
Okay, ndikumamela.
in this case, when another finish, like there's like when then there's your boyfriend, then your boyfriend dates you, then slowly now, then goes for your friend and your friend first. Love is like in love deeply.
Ndingakhe
Would you
ndimbuze ka.
continue that friendship with your friend?
No. For what reasons? So that means when every time futhi ngiqala nye relationship mina must be in fear for the fact that when uzothatha umuntu wami ngeke ngisho.
So she got another one. Young boss, this is
So that you
Yes. So come now. What's
No.
that?
Ha, ngicingeke ukuba ufuna ukuba lo muntu like I knew about okay benjani bengumuntu onjani umuntu obhejayo and whatsoever and now the next thing
Sapetshela wena.
sapetshonga
ngani thina bathi isimanje ngani shubile letha ama-flowers
Ama-flowers engadini wafumana? No.
My favorite restaurant.
Imagine. Who am
Feliz kuba ne-fruit party amthumele her favorite flowers
Same perfume.
same perfume
Same culture.
same necklace
abafana banganigowisi kulapho ngingagowa khona ukangapheri
So never reach for Freud.
izinto
Oh,
zegame
I think you're better.
Okay.
yo
showcase
imagine dog
ukuposta ifrantana thengele yena wa izinto
Content love, hey.
exactly
Thank
I wouldn't hey I would stop being friends with that person immediately like with immediate effect like done I would block the person oh my god but I'm glad that my friend and I have different types yeah I'm just glad otherwise yo
iyeva tive story kwisquad sethu
We don't buy.
it is what it is
guys no
no don't get in the way of love man it could be soulmates
so you date
me I don't
exactly
me I don't
who are you
kodwa
to
bakhona
escort insane
do
But I feel like, okay, no. In most groups of friends, there are those.
Of course, there are always those
There's always
people.
Same time.
yeah
Actually.
But does not mean go for the person I was dating.
Those groups. Okay, yeah, guys, you gotta look.
No.
Like, say, mama, mazana. In most cases, not in most cases though, but like, in a rare case, mama, mazana, time to type yeah, so it's a natural thing.
yeah
Okay, yeah, I get that. We can like the same type. It does not mean go for my ex or my boyfriend.
The extent we had.
yabo
Uvumelani.
kathini umuntu
No, what connection? Why not disconnect?
hayi the bluetooth device connected successfully
Why not disconnect?
nah a glitch le wi-fi
No freaking way.
5 straight
No. Okay. Ngakhala.
Oh, nah.
Ngakhala mfana.
awufethu yakho why do you care
What if I was what if I still loved
I'm an ex-example. Do you care with what you're like?
ndinandaba nanto nala
So why do you
mfana?
care about what you're like?
I don't care about umfana but like the friend.
oh
Why?
why wona ndawo mos nge-ex
Thank
So do you look at the person
you.
as like a hypocrite this one
Yes.
and trust it all?
kade ngilindile opportunity
Yes. Yes.
kade ngisinayipile
Hypocrites. Kade ilindile lento. That means the time benifika nomuntu wami nibomjonga lo hlobo. Ha. Yo.
but when is she sleeping up when like my opportunity
2 years and job like
Uzobona crush yakho. You know the excitement you get. Uzobona crush yakho. That's crazy. Diabolical.
Things that happen in friendship groups, right? Toxicity. They are toxic.
crazy yo
Toxic friendship, innocent friendships.
Yo.
zenzeka izinto la ngaphandle
Yeah, and they're very crazy, Shane. As long as it's you.
And the crazy ones find each other, but like the crazy ones always get along.
Yeah, have that link somehow. Yo.
kumnandi laphana mfethu
Setting up, boy. Setting up.
ngusha ama-vocals lapho mfethu
Okay.
yeah mfethu
You're cooking.
So you would go for like the music industry, like you will be a songwriter.
fuck no
So what do you mean?
joking bitch nah but don't play with the eyes
Eyes
you
check.
get frozen
Why? Wait, there was this guy Escolin who was like, Ebo, I'm coming rapper. I figure his stage. I forgot. I got eyes on my wrist. Eyes. Like the whole freaking 5 minutes I remember.
it's true eyes
Dr. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming. Oh, nah.
Dr. Thank you for coming. Imagine this call and say, Dr. Thank you for coming.
That was his every assembly.
We're there for like lokuzani a bash.
Let's have no years away.
Any bash?
Valentine's bash.
Exactly.
What does the school do on Valentine's?
Like you wear CVs and then like literally like there's no teaching at all. There's music, there's dancing, like it's like a party but without alcohol. But there is alcohol. Somewhere. But like
so were you drunk that day?
No, I didn't drink at school. Nah, I think it's better at school.
That's better. She doesn't do that.
I don't do that.
She's not that type of person.
Do you know?
No, not
Hey, angathi unendaba lazona unendaba namhlanje.
When you drop your single, man. When you're hopping on the stool, bro.
Lapho uqolela amagama wa.
Yabo, basazoshaya ama-vocals, they cooking that side.
Yes, still, boy.
Nigga.
Celi feature.
Hey, mfethu. Clean. Izile mali mfethu.
One.
Different people, man.
Yeah, it's not for everyone.
I want to music, man.
I mean, I'll fuck around maybe.
Into it's the fact that like I have to post now. But ndicenge nina nimamela umculo wami.
So like that's advertising, bro, marketing, bro.
I mean, tell njalo ngoba yami ngiyacela bafethu.
Repost there, boy.
Hey, reposa boy.
Imagine now ufuna ndicenge ninani. No, thank you. It's fine. Ufana like
Mososiyeba bathi bakuse.
ufana like being usisitosh. Sure. Mawusisitosh things into zakho but for me ngincengane nani ukuthi ngithenga amathenga manje.
Advertise abantu. It was a story.
This is a story.
You know, was seen.
It's crazy. It's crazy. Zulu they say umakasithe.
Where?
Makasithe.
Yeah.
House is Dosh.
You know what you're talking about.
Yes.
And also Dosh by because bayaskemana. Be aware.
I want those tickets. Wait a minute when Air Force 650.
Izinja ubuntu. Banomusa mfethu abantu.
Akunikeze iplug yelokhuzani yena.
Come on, bro.
What profit are you doing? Are you making there, boy?
I'm sure ikhona profit
from my heart, bro.
Hayibo.
I told you, bro. Banomusa labantu. Banomusa mfethu. Udlala. Humanity. Bro.
Akakuzula zona. Ubuntu, hey.
But why don't I get the shoes, though?
Huh? What?
Why wanna bring us maybe?
What do you mean?
Like the shoes never arrived.
Asasi.
Why wanna bring us Why bring us
Ngoba phambili akazi kahle. Down. Ngithenga ama-fake yena ngemali yena athenga original.
Like omnye lo obethengisa i-iPhone on TikTok, I forgot her name. Obethengisa i-iPhone the next thing aqhuba ye-iStore uyothenga i-iPhone. I was like, that's crazy. Imagine.
Yeah.
What I'm saying. But I don't use what I'm saying.
Exactly. It's not for me. It's for y'all, bro. You see what y'all do? I'm gonna enjoy it. It's good for you.
iPhone 17.
iStore doesn't know that.
Hey, but it's fine. Keep pushing. Just elevate the poverty. You're elevating at this moment. It's fine. Unemployment rate is somehow we're business way. Yeah, which is a good thing. But also,
use your product. Use your iPhones.
If I have friend ambassadors who use products and stuff.
Just for fame. Yes.
Just for a picture.
Just the pictures and promotion.
Get this bag and
which is crazy. Which is crazy. Imagine making someone buy. And what to clear skin? See, I'm trying to gig your Kanye. When you love always when there's Kanye. washutha nje ngayo ngakhona umuntu imagine ambone esebenzisa lo ganye and then they buy it.
This guy wafika TikTok edayisa i-product yakhe bro. Wafika wathi before
oya faka ama-dots
Which is crazy.
go after swipe ama-dots yakhisiwe
after kiss.
The Lani product.
Yeah.
The Lani product. I saw it. It was crazy.
wena abantu bayahlanya
Kodwa la yalokhu ize nayibonakala nje.
Bro,
Yabo, emakha leya.
asibazimuntu bekesibone bethu
Things that are done for content are crazy.
Content are crazy.
Very much crazy.
but it's funny though
It's
funny.
because you know
Wait.
it's stupid also, like,
Ngiposte ngoba ngizoyithola le video ni ibaniqhubeka nena mthetho.
okay, that's crazy, man. Land products, man, get this back any way possible, man.
Very possible.
ngiyayifuna le mali jo
Funa left, right and center. Funa left, right and center.
What are you looking for?
The video.
What are you looking for?
Nizoyibona le video. It's for content. It was a content thing kodwa.
content
It was yo is manga.
It's manga.
manga
Is manga.
There's manga.
Have you realized that even after the whole march of the G20 women's change thingy, still abantu basalahleka? Was it effective?
I mean it brought awareness that was the entire point but
Awareness.
But people are still like
still happening I don't know
Needs getting-
Besides announcing that
it's a crisis
Yeah, it is a crisis.
is it disaster or crisis
It's a disaster.
yeah it's a disaster
Imagine
Kabang.
it's labeled as a disaster.
disaster yeah.
So ukulahleka kwabantu i-disaster. Oh my god, who reposted that shit konje?
Like, how do a man get to that?
why
Lala madoda ecinga bele ku-3
hayi bona abaphele kuwana aba
In fact, aphele ku-1. U-3 is too big.
you being generous you being generous
I expect and like, why? You don't need to get a woman to answer to talk to her.
Oh, my question is, you know Inkosi Mandebele, right? You know his friend,
Who's friend?
Kayone. Yes. So Inkosi Mandebele bought Kayone the thingy for streaming. You know the story?
yeah heard of it not like know it
Okay, you heard of it?
yeah but
Tiny bits.
Wait, okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Kaya bought Kosamande.
No, Inkosi
Inkosi
Mandebele
Mandebele
bought it for
bought-
Kayone, the streaming equipment.
Yeah.
And now Kayone did not show up. Kayone chose alcohol because I think it was it was for birthday at the streaming product equipment. Oh, Kayone did not show up. Yeah, wa choose ukuyongela Kayone. Wanxela ukuthi bangabambe nefoni.
Knowing Wuti.
Your friend is supposed to be there.
na enjoyment December
How would you feel if your friend would do you like that?
yeah that's crazy
Very crazy. Like,
Shall I sacrifice a J dog?
imagine spending my whole 23k on you, and then the next thing you do me like that.
Vele ufuna nje uyobhenga nje wena.
When uyofuna utywala and le nto ibizokuzisela imali.
Ethu.
But it's there, I could accept it tomorrow, boy. I was busy, boy. Hectic weekend, boy.
Ima, don't I have a life?
It was December, boy.
You have a life, I know.
Yo.
Kwala
You
fethu.
see,
Things happen in December.
People who you don't combine with.
And sometimes you don't plan them, they just
They just
happen.
happen, boy.
Now ngibona izolo
They just happen.
1 minute I was in market, next time in Tamalake, next time in Port Shepstone. Again, you talking about let's go to Durban. I'm like, drop me off. Bheke endlini.
Going to Durban.
Ngibheke endlini. Ngibheke endlini. Nitheni kanti? Ngiyibotsepe. I was like, nitheni kanti?
Tommy, why are we Durban? Ngeba kudala ndiyambile.
Aye. No.
But like this guy decided like to record yena nomntu wakhe besenza sex for content. Imagine.
I posted.
Posted it. It's trending. It's just that ansayiboni ngoku.
Below.
But intombazana at least ayivelanga kuvele yena umfana.
Wait. All over.
Like, okay.
Guys, share content. At least make money for it. Share money at least. Masibonisa mahala mfethu. Enduni yakhe phashile. Ukhela kabi futhi. Ukhela kabi.
Ume-recording
We did not need to
Snapchat.
see that.
We did not.
We did not need to see that.
Ume-recording on Snapchat.
Hayi message futhi. Ine funny ears.
Ume-recording on Snapchat.
Yo, in 2025.
Bro.
Ume-recording on Snapchat.
In big 2025.
2025.
Backlist.
Heading to 2026.
And you're still using Snapchat.
Snapchat.
Oh nah.
What? I'm a filter. Filters.
Filters
Yeah,
is games.
Damn.
I'm saying I said that was wrong.
I mean,
Imagine, like ucingani xa uthatha ifone urecord you having sex.
Dog.
It's crazy.
Showcase guys like 16. Manje uyipostela mfethu.
What's the posting for?
Uyipostela
That they want me to
mfethu.
know.
You don't need to see that.
Which is
Asikhulu uyazi leyo nto. Digital footprint mfethu.
yeah.
And once you see it, you can't unsee it. But
It's always gonna be in your mind.
Imagine.
Ufana omnye, they were on live and they were having sex waveka ifone yabaveza. The time we were live ne, ifone ibiphezulu, only the upper was shown. But like you could see ukuthi bayamove because ugay it's kind of like bending.
yeah.
Yabo, you see the yeah.
Yeah.
Go phone. Yavela baveza bonke
Bonke.
it's like the whole body.
Oh, yeah. Qhuma nje left right and center lapha.
The video got to the parents.
TikTok live.
No, Instagram. Instagram. It was trending.
Instagram.
There is a lot. And then I was like, oops. And then it got to the mother's girl. Yeah, umawake. Girl got the video. Imagine umawake kusakhile endlini. My mom knows that I'm missing millions. Khona umuntu ophefumlela phezu kwami.
Abarafika umzali ahlala lapha.
La uhlala lapha.
Yintoni le?
First of all, you were into deep. How am I?
Yintoni le? Uzothi yintoni?
Into zoyiphika futhi nayo.
Uzothi yintoni?
Photoshopped, mama. Akundi.
AI.
It's very simple. Yo, Thixo ngingachaza ntini?
Ungaqala kabi ke.
Sholo umuntu amcabukelayo ngulamama.
Umntana wakhe. Abasifuni, mama.
Kudala usitsho futhi ngakuthi mami.
Uthi uyabona
Alibona ndayibona
lo. And ubona uba nguwe nyani lo.
Ngibheka umakhelwane ngafuna.
Dala ubona umakhelwane ngasifuni.
Umakhelwane akasithandisisi.
Akasithandisisi.
Uyasixabana lapha endlini nje. Yabikho right. Uyabona umoya emdaka.
No. Ebo la nto
Hey what's
ufana leyo yokumitha usahlala nomzali. Evidence mama.
Bana record.
Ndenze izinto zenza iphume mina. Yo.
Banditi level. Yeah.
Yo.
Azile. So let's
I
yazi.
think that's crazy about being pregnant is like everybody knows you're
Yeah.
safe.
Yeah, everybody's gonna know.
Let's yazi.
No freaking way.
Cabangi. Evidence.
No way. So crazy.
And I feel like umuntu omithiyo xa ejonga komnye uvela so amcinga uba Aisha yanibona uba ya nam I did this ne.
Imagine.
It's crazy. It's crazy. But anyways, guys, ningazinxishi bomnandi.
Yebo.
Enjoyani, nizenze izinto zenu kodwa nazi ukuthi
Great. London comes great in London. With great rights comes great responsibility.
yes, that's
Zabalekile
why.
ibundles. Zaphinde zabuya.
But zibuyile ke ngoku. Yembo uyashaya.
Uphethu. Yathini?
Uyashaya.
What does that mean?
As in
Oh, clock it.
yeah. Yeshaya lento uza naye.
We live and we learn.
Yes.
It's what we are shy, much.
uyashaya nje kuphela makuthi uyashaya uzobushaya usubusenza kahle.
Stole that lingo, stole that shit.
I also stole it at work.
I just stole that shit.
I also stole it at work.
Stole that shit.
They'll be like, uyashaya. I was like, what do you mean? As in uzanaya. I'm like, alright.
It's true, I guess. Uzwile boys, nelingo enje. New lingo patch.
Yes.
What's the legal?
Uyashaya.
Uyashaya.
As in you're doing it. Not like kids, as in like you're doing it.
What are you doing?
It's clock it,
Like
nigga.
clocking.
Clock it, nigga.
Yes.
Serious?
Uyashaya.
Doing the most, uyashaya.
Uyashaya.
Stole that shit. I was just telling her, okay, sure. Stole that shit, uyashaya. Huh?
6ix9ine.
Did
The snitch for days.
okay to me?
Yeah, rats.
You blame him though. In the same position, you wouldn't.
Hey.
Shit, nigga, I'm trying to come home.
What?
I'm trying to go home.
Shit, nigga, I'm trying to come home.
But I would do it, but with no hesitation, but I would snitch.
Yeah.
But I was it as it. Oh, nice. You can't go home locked up forever.
The boy, that cool, that boy.
For things that you didn't do.
That boy, we have evidence on you. Gonna have 2 life sentences. Whoa. Two. Ngubani. Ukhawuthi ubani uhlala apha yabo. Singaya pha. Ubani uhlala nomama wethu. Ongubani. Yena uhlala yedwa yona. Qha uyathanda uba bekule ndawo
It was like a joke.
Tobehlala boy besirecord. Uyaqhela.
And then you meet your maker. Oh! But like that age, I'm so sure that I keep in there.
You're in those situations when you're like in the criminal activities or like political activities because
Peppa Pig.
Jokes the flu yam. Okay.
it was so unexpected.
Okay, kabang. So oink. What the fuck? Oh sure.
It's so silly.
I'll get my get back. It's fine.
It's okay, Jomi. You know, I'm just a girl.
I'm just a chill guy for real.
Yeah,
Just a girl.
I'm just a girl. But abantomazana isebenza even kulokuzana kwi-reasons ezirongo le nto yoba I'm just a girl. Yeah.
Overly doing that.
Yeah, like it's overly done.
Why did you
now.
cheat on your partner?
Guess
I'm
my
just a
point.
girl.
Yeah.
Ay, bukanjani manje? Why do you cheat on your partner? I'm just a girl.
I'm just a girl. What?
Kanjani manje?
Crazy.
Kanjani manje?
Girl. Oh, no.
Why did you cheat? I'm just a guy. You all should do it, man.
I'm just a chill guy for real.
I'm just a chilled guy.
I have a lot of love to give.
Exactly. A lot of love to share.
I love to share.
Yeah, entanglement.
It's hard, so I have to share it to other
It's
people.
overwhelming for one person.
One person is like,
You have to
Did I
share.
say it's overwhelming?
Huh?
Did I say it's overwhelming as your girlfriend? No.
Like, we can tell.
I tell
It's
her.
overwhelming because we know it's too much. It's too much
you don't have
allowed.
to say it. It's
We
there.
know it's too much.
You know what? Okay, this other person said to me, and it was by like why cheated on the previous relationships. Uthe guys, amadoda kodwana ingqondo nyani. Uthe on the previous relationships, the reason why, I mean, okay, why did he cheat kulo mntu ajula naye ngokona? Because they've been together for 3 years, and Nambuzba uchite how many times? What's more than 5 times?
Well, I'm tata back.
And my question is, so your girlfriend is that much understanding yokuba angahlala kwi relationship for 3 years with someone who's uchitayo ati not ezinye years find out, it's just about 3 or 2 years find out, but the girl stayed. All right, and then as like,
Age.
Young love.
Young, dumb and shit.
like yazi le ngoma ka George Smith, Teenage Fantasy, ngeba ndithi babanjwe yiyo qha noko sebedlulile kwi stage sobu teenage, they're in their 20s, which is crazy. The guy is 24 and the girl I think is 21 or 22.
My sister. Love yourself.
Leave, dog.
Love yourself.
Self-love.
Self-love.
Fair, so I was like, Also, I only know the guy though, but I don't know the girl. Engasenhlale nalantombazana ndimxeleba, Chomi, it's okay. You're not the money. It's like plethora of them. You can get another one on a moto mfethu. Ungabani zohlaliswa imoto. It's fine.
Yeah, ishubile. Akasafuna walk my sister. Akafuna give up lo lifestyle.
Like it's fine. You can just like stop the whole relationship.
I want to pay so much my sister.
And then I asked the dude, why were you doing all of this? What's he? It was a more comparison. If like it lasts the relationship, so two of them angachata omp. Nathi ngumnqondo lento ithethayo kodwa.
Sangena ngama free trial.
Like
Chama trial
boys.
ngumnqondo lento yenzayo.
Mthindo yakho.
Talking stage. That's how they define it nowadays.
Talking stage.
Talking stage, boy, I'm testing the waters. Just testing the waters.
Inhliziyo yomuntu imnandi.
Wait, man. Okay, another situation that happened. Someone told me that like they are in a talking stage with a person, but they slept with them. Is that a talking stage?
Yeah. That's live nje.
That's a crazy situation.
That's a crazy situation.
That's a situation.
That's a situationship. We jumped at the talking stage now.
Wait, relax.
But yet we're not dating though.
We're not dating, we're still talking, Jay. Because even afterwards, we'll be talking.
But the talk is opela after the deed.
Huh?
No.
Nah, not all the time.
The talk continues.
Does it?
Depends on
Depends.
the agreement.
It depends.
So like, what if after the deed, one of you all ghost each other?
Should khona obozile la boze khona umunye wangayifini connection wahamba. It
If the
happened.
connection was in there.
Man, ngicela ukubuza. Athiwa umuntu ujavu unjani?
So you said what?
Ujavu.
Javu. What the heck is that? Javu.
Which language is that?
Like with context.
KusiXhosa.
Like context saying like a sentence.
Kuthiwa uyabanda ujavu.
Yeah, man, javu.
Probably means whack.
Shoot. Yeah, boss.
Yeah, boss.
I no longer have the VN.
I go flexible maybe.
Oh, now come out here. Yeah, man.
Too rigid.
Whoa, what we have done.
Oh no.
I thought the princess ngumuntu olalayo, like uthanda ukulala. Kanti no, it does not mean that. Do you know what's a pillow princess?
Pillow princess, what's that?
You don't know what's a pillow princess?
Pillow princess.
School us.
School us.
It's apparently, allegedly. You know, like when you're having sex, intombazane vele usuke nje ilale ngomqolo all freaking time.
Oh, okay. You see that.
The lazy ones. The lazy ones.
You
They
don't
don't
know?
participate.
You know the term. But,
Oh,
They don't
I also taught people a word they didn't know.
it's fine. Stole that shit.
What? Pillow princess?
Yeah, pillow princess.
It's cool. Stole that shit. You know it now.
Oh, shit.
Apparently, it's someone who is like that.
Yeah, you are gonna stress.
You
Boring.
You have experience from me?
They just made it by.
I come to the experience and it's not my
Lapho ubunethemba.
Fethu muhle nomuntu fethu.
Missionary.
Ukayibona mayiphenye data mama ikuse yakwazi ushake ifike uma ikuse.
See what you ain't
And my expectations are now are too much.
Nomnandi la. Yo.
Amalokuzana now are too much. Expectations.
Not even like too much. Just do something. Just do something. Do something nje. In a moment. Wherever knows is a bit of this room, right? Yeah.
Participate.
In one of the books I was reading, a guy did say about why like marriage. I've been like.
Yeah, if the sex is boring, boy.
It gets to a point. It gets to a point.
I've been like tolerating this for 3 years now. It's boring.
Yo.
It's boring.
Yo.
I was like, yeah. What angathi inkukhu exheleyo.
But really,
Yo, inkukhu.
other position.
Uxhelwe. Yo missionary nje. Why?
all years.
You are
Fine.
again.
Let's say I found a person who can actually satisfy my sexual needs and fantasies.
Then it gets to a point.
That's it. Yes,
Go looking for it somewhere else.
umuntu uzolasta kudala la.
Yo,
Athi ukukhula ngakwazi.
participation.
So you must
that's
also
all it
participate as a. Oh,
Yeah.
It is. Be there.
Senzo ithule and it's a connection.
it's a connection.
It's a connection.
Guys, anizoyiki soul ties.
Huh? I feel this one.
Soul ties are
So
real.
my method, take a shower.
We will shower. Shower.
Someone did say, as a stable, you shower.
You take a shower. Zuma method.
Zuma method.
Why?
Wash it away. Mbona mase kubangela isicebe nje oh this person athi nje bad.
Yeah.
Yohlamba ba.
Crazy.
Yohlamba.
Full experience, boy.
No.
Yeah.
This is the third time since
Oh, my tiga, yeah.
Chome usha?
Yeah, things I've heard.
Oh,
What allegedly failed?
alleged. Apparently.
So it can't be an alleged.
Okay, but apparently.
It doesn't answer because it's not apparent. But yeah, it is true. People do wash it off.
Yeah, ne?
Just take a shower. Mine out that
Move
soul
on with
tie.
your life.
And move on with your life.
Okay.
Mine out that soul type. Move on with your life. Find a new one.
Minus one problem.
Mine out the problem. Yes.
On to the next.
On to the next, boy.
On to the next
On to the
level.
next, boy. Then you find a better.
Welele, uvulufumana wesi, uthi uyabaleka.
iPad phela le.
Uvulufumana wesi. Into ngayithi ne? Bo.
On to the next. Keep moving on.
Being body count inyuka.
Keep it on the low, baba.
You move on to the next one. Body count inyuka.
Ndaba manje Dallas phila.
Hi! At 25, you already have about 15 body counts. Like age yakho.
Dallas phila fits.
Nah.
And you're under 25.
I'm making an example.
Say though.
Oh, I'm making an example.
What a Dallas phila fits.
So what?
Dallas phila.
So what?
Feeling
Because it's there,
like
like,
You-
is there.
for there. Mine is 3.
Mine is 0. Okay. Mine is 0. Mine is 0.
What are those? That's all girls, sorry. Say.
Yeah, 2, 3. That's the.
Why?
Huh?
Why you
Oh, yeah.
be proud of 5 wake?
Angas,
I don't know.
couldn't have innocent.
Shame.
So it was my first and my
Yes.
ex.
It's
Now gonna be you.
gonna be you. It's gonna be you.
How old are you? 24.
Ayisiphethe kakuhle. Ayingenazo imali ayingenazo.
I just think when it's TikTok, bro, like, intombazane yaziwayo ukuthi funny how kumbali kama like
Kubani?
umbali do the shit.
Yeah.
So ngake video lebese khona amjika ngiyekuthi yabo like this guy is a Christian. I was a full Christian. Man saying she's for the streets. She's been for the streets. She's known for being on the streets, but like that's real and shit. We are poser, we are plans and stuff. Now she's ready to settle down.
Yo, imagine intombi yakho
She's chasing the
seyazonke.
brother. Like we are full shit. I'm willing to change for you.
I can change.
Wena ngaba
Imagine.
sikusekuseni wena masivuka wena uhleli udakiwe
Yo.
khiphe lesinga boy.
Futhi yazini eku-relationship maye kusela boyi-two abantu omnye wethu has
Been an order.
funeka kube khona lo ozokhuza
Wanna go
ngeke. Yes, it's me.
Okay, okay. So we just lie on the public
So when you
platform.
date someone, okay, it doesn't matter.
Who drinks?
Yeah.
Like every day and John.
No, not okay. Yeah, every day.
No.
Yeah. Why?
Every day is crazy, bro.
I thought there are people who do that.
Aye.
There are people who do
Every
that.
day,
Every day.
Ulwanani.
Kala so shut to the tap.
Why you do so?
Kuyisho manje ukuthi ingane yakho maseyiphula lapha kuthiwa yefana
Umbali yokuhlasa umshoko uma wakho.
imagine the tap baby, hey no way.
Hayi.
Big mama wakho njalo lo.
nje intombi yakho bikade iphathwa
Bro,
kuthi ulethe ulokhuzana phela uhe
stop.
yo
Boy, don't pull up this.
Yo boy, kusuka intombi yakho izolo ngiyabithweka mfethu. Abang.
lapho kuthola ukuthi bungazi nokuthi bekuphi
Mfethu.
and to find out it was a house party
Mfethu.
And that's how relationship starts. Friends, backstabbing friends.
I mean I would never date someone I met in a house party no
Adults who date.
I would never
If
oh
in the club.
Jomi, oh, Kala, you're gonna host another one, you're gonna meet another girl, you're gonna tell her the same thing, and then the next thing,
It's a method.
like, that's crazy.
We
About
hosted
clubbing. Okay, I don't do clubs, so I wouldn't say. Okay, but let's say I do start going to clubs.
Exactly.
A clubbing. I would never date that person. I would never, shame. When would you date?
Huh? I would have fun though. What date though?
Just
Exactly.
go with the flow.
You can go with the
That's fine,
okay.
right?
I would never go with the flow. Go with flow, Baba. Yes, sis.
Owethu kaloku wami nowakho. Hayi wena ngathi wakho kuphela. Nowami nje.
Ati let's just take things slowly and go with the flow. Kodwa befuna ukubona unqunu. With whose body? How
Life.
Our bodies, boy. Our bodies.
I would never understand umuntu ozo understand a low situationship.
Kanjani?
Dog, it's either we are locked in or there's nothing.
Well, some people want to have fun. So let's have fun.
Okay, Papu's I am.
We are when it's like a situationship, boy. You see an ongoing situationship. We are strictly friends. We just have sex to like no feelings at all. No feelings.
Let's go and to women and don't be enemy based. After hearing that,
I would never.
I feel like how many people money that's what they do.
no.
That's the matter.
Ati,
Yo, ukwenzela ugilile futhi uzalana futhi.
what's that for man?
Woza mina yazile lo.
But like, does it happen with like guys who have female besties?
I don't know. Depends on the gender online.
Yeah, I feel like Namland, it
Depends on the
depends on the person. How much do you have self boundaries?
Yeah, self-control.
Depends on the self-control.
You never know.
You won't see.
Lo muntu ke unayo self-control noma kanayo.
Oh yeah. Some don't use their self-control.
Yeah, well,
Black
do.
out.
anything could happen.
Crazy.
But it's fine.
Awusati uma my bestie. Silale kubo.
Lele peti na iwa.
It's fine, baby. I believe you, baby.
Aye, it's fine.
Believe you.
Fine.
Fine, baby. I believe
Have a nice life.
Ati umntu
Very nice knowing you.
Okay, mhlambe ngangabi nayo email bestie leyo baby mama. Baby mama was here, ma please. Yo, hold up.
What kind of
Listen, fuck up, boy.
Wait. What you mean?
You're taking closer, yeah, boy.
Take it closer.
Whole weekend.
God.
Hey, Bob, offline
What
me.
for the whole weekend, boy.
Tiyangisa kwa baby mama ingane yagula. Nana khali tifuna babayo. Yeah.
Hey, Bob.
Ingane yakhala ifuna ukuthula la.
Tifuna babayo.
Ufuna bakwazi. Yeah, she crazy.
Really shy lingerie baby mama boy. Trap set. Trap set.
Imagine.
Oh, baba, can't on give the
When
lights.
you keep saying umntu wami kwabo baby mama kufike.
Aye, on a mission. Always number 2.
Enzo wesibini.
Umenza le sibling ubemntanabo.
Uzobamba ibhathi ungabhekanga.
Hey boy.
You would catch.
Hey boy.
So what ingane ingane yakho.
Wekuthiwa
And it
ubaba.
happens though. Man,
When,
no.
how would you feel finding out that the child you were raising?
After how long though? That's what.
It doesn't matter after how long, boy.
Mhlambe, me, let me say the range. Mhlambe, like at my age 19.
Yo.
Yo.
Once upon wa brother wakho mntwana.
Yo.
Brother. Oh nah.
Bro, we have to throw hands at least.
Oh nah.
At least. Nje minimum throw
Just to
hands.
get that range off.
Minimum nje throw hands.
Enjoy that, guy.
Masile fethu. Masile fethu.
Lelelani
Masile fethu. Ngicela kayo.
ubhuti wakho ukuncedile
Hayi angicedile umfazama apho ngishida yamsneakerizer yamsneakerizer ayibo
would you forgive
let's
ulo
go no mani jealous my ekhulumini
let's say like kudala nizama umntana nomfazi wakho and then the next thing your wife gets pregnant mysteriously ebo and then umntana azalwe and then abe
Wait,
nefeature
after knowing ukuthi
no not knowing
no like okay ngiyazi ukuthi we've been
Trying.
savumelana it's okay we're trying to have a baby
yes but
so
I
we've
got
been trying for like
Some
3
time.
years 4 years still no then ngiyazi mina lokho ngithi then when I was okhulelwe
yes
I am that stupid enough to not do the DNA
kacwaka
okay oqala let's say uzobelieve okay miracle and then like after some time umntana azalwe and then abe ne-features zakho nobhuti wakho of course you guys are brothers same
Nah.
mother same father
I don't care about the looks boy
you have to be sure we have to be sure
genetics boy
so this is your nephew awudma
yo ikhezi ngabhalansa
awudma this is your nephew
ikhezi ngabhalansa ngesibindi like what you mean
uthini doctor
hey man
not
it's 99.9 yeah not even 100%
boy 9 you are not the father
You're not- you know that show Judge yo it gets hectic you're not the father
reaction so you're not the father yo jabulani ntsephe
phela lo happy nyazi
Sona sepe flip kabaga oh what the fuck
cinga uba andisazi ukondla manje
but yeah I'm saying
guys ukondla it's expensive like it's expensive I don't
ndana yo
hey that's why ngithi child is permanent expensive child is everything
yo child
yo
Abanga,
kube khona abantu abakwi-age yami who get pregnant twice kodwa umuntu abedepende kula 500 amantombazane
yo wala kuyafroza lapha
no like nyani bayangicaphukisa
so it was a big thing
it's at your age
you dog if I'd say people from elalini who keep getting pregnant kodwa bayazazi babadepende kwintoni and they know that koma wabo kunjani mother of two mother of three
mother of 5 I'm talking about mother of 5
nje yena senzibabona uba okay iyakwazi ukuzala
don't is not even 21
yo
imagine
hey no it's you
sethi nje yena wabona uba uyazala
mother of 5
which is crazy I feel like
Boys
this
at 25
she's making that bag with that's a paycheck can't lie I see the vision
ukumaniseka uba
I see
abantwana
the
abanye
vision
akabondli
she's gonna be a millionaire soon I see the vision I mean ngiyakubona mina baba
how do you see the vision when you have to spend
akhule uneplan mhlawumbe invest nemali zayo
yo
you never know
that's an investment boy
bro.
but that somehow
she's golden at this shit
a child is an investment somehow
you don't know what could happen
you don't know whatever could happen to that like if they won't reach their dreams like be who they actually want to be and like succeed and they will take care of you in that so, because you took care of them that's part of life give you get what you get
but like what if
get what you give
you never take say
what if okay uyazala sure fine akinkinga inansingana yakutalente lakho lelo ukuzala talente lakho ukuthi wena ukhiphe ukuzala nje kuphela alright uzala
Zara tô falando isso tranquilo, né? Como que eu aposto de dar?
finally
oh my god what's a skumba wait what's a skumba mama ubesengaye clinic phela athi yathanda umqomelo
Yeah.
amathawula letsani okay lalelani ke ngifuna nomqome lomkhulu nubekele ngasemuva
umsuzo thulile ngani
so there was a procedure esibhedlela bahamba kanjani no
uphemile cabanga step 1 step 2 step 3 step 4
that's crazy bro imagine knowing the whole procedure no I feel like 2 kids are enough I feel like 2 kids are enough if you're financially stable yes if you're financially stable sure cool and also not that I'm judging people who have different fathers, but like, come on. No, the thing is, and another thing, if one say, okay, mhlambe omnye utata is gonna be there for umntana wakhe, and then and then owakhe akekho there for ebo. It's your kid. And now utata walo are there for umntana wakhe, does not pay only attention to the one amzalayo. It's wrong for umntana because uzofila bad.
They don't deserve that.
Exactly. So I feel like somehow it's only understandable xa utata wakhe wasweleka. That's understandable.
Why did you kick the back?
Grown-ass man.
Why you weak like that?
Grown-ass man.
Uvumeleni kanjani? How your needs is away. Things are happening like South Coast guys like market. You remember the stands event? Right. I call Jabulo. Jabulo get me a cab. Jabulo ngolesi. Jabulo is like, okay, I'm gonna call someone for you. Wara. Show. This person comes. Alati. Kukhona amanye ama-customer ngiyawalanda awujahile kithi unayica take your time buza yami ngihlale kanje nemotini athi ngiyabe ungena phambili fansithi mngani ngihlale yaphambili lapha umnyama ngifakile ama-earphones athi yolanda abanye abantu ke la back la isi-slopes okay we vibe back we get abantu abawu-3 2 guys and 1 girl bahamba bowu-3 me this guy and the girl are dating and then the third one I think was their friend or something. The first one is some dropper upper A3 it's just that andazi bakuyipindawo alright ichomi ngabe konxaki uphuma ehamba ne-girlfriend yakhe lo simdropper upper A3 usheke lo sizomsegama lakhe athi intombazana ingene egate because ndajika ndajonga ngoba ingene egate uguy ajike athi woza phela bafongcabuza uswapha wait ngabuka lo buta driver
so all along they say ihamba nini ntombazana
wathi ngempela lo la ngaphakathi nasonde ngathi wait they kissed for real guys
tell
me there was not even the back seat angithi isihlalo sa driver lo munye lo besehlekile ungene la emva kwa driver wahamba kanjena ngaphambili lo munye wasondela langa kumina and then they met halfway and they were like kissing
what the fuck
like Jimmy they kissed yabona if bebenga vinjonga ndim naye clothes were gonna be taken off like they were kissing
nike la nandibukela imovie lapha
lapha nacofa ifoni mina because nginibukela amadoda incamisana ngeke like they kissed.
What is going on?
And for they are not even 2Ks. I think like 1K.
What is going on?
I'm not homophobic, but like come on.
In public, nigga?
In public, yo!
Wait, get a room, dog.
Get a room.
Kaba sober one time. Like my pet. No, they were not that drunk, but baby selili.
They lose every day.
I only had like 3 brutal foods that day. So I was a pillar within a minute. Gone. Kathi kanjani kathi awungeke bafuthe qala drop mina ngiyidagesta kahle
leli swordfighting. Oh no.
Hey, there's a lot that you see with cab.
Oh no.
Oh, there you go.
Being a cab driver, boys,
Hey, a lot of things. Sama bahamba nomuntu intombazane beyodwa. Kodwa abafana they are different. Abanye badropa emizini ehlukeneyo in one day.
Banyana.
Hey.
Those ones.
After
God, fear women, boy.
God, they are saying fear men.
Nah, don't let them fool the kings.
Mama atasharp thina.
Hayi bo.
Mama atasharp thina.
Vele kana yazi into wrong with
Yeah, bro.
Alright.
Clown face.
Yeah, come on, this. Hey, bro. What are you talking about?
Exactly.
Hey. What?
Bo. So, yani, no one's into wrong.
Yeah, but we've been rambling now. We've been rambling.
Yeah, boy.
Yap session. It was like a Yap session.
It's not a Yap session. We're just venting.
So thank you for watching us. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe. Please subscribe.
And Natata, call subscribe.
Please do it for her.
Do it for me.
Please. If you get to 200 subscribers, I think I'm gonna rise to the dead. Yeah, boy. Yes.